In this video, I'll show you how to create a star bokeh effect in DaVinci Resolve using built-in tools. Please note that this tutorial uses the Aperture Diffraction effect, which is only available in the studio version of DaVinci Resolve. Start on the color page and select your clip. Add a new serial node if needed, then open the Effects panel and search for Aperture Diffraction. Drag it onto the node. In the Effect controls, adjust source region brightness until the effect only targets the brightest areas of the image. If you want a neutral look, set the mode to grayscale to remove color influence. Increase the smooth value to tighten and clean up the bokeh shape. Then scroll down to Aperture Controls, where you can change the iris shape to create star patterns and adjust the size to control how large the bokeh appears. Finally, open Compositing Controls and increase the brightness to fine-tune the strength of the effect. And that's it! A simple way to create star-shaped bokeh directly in DaVinci Resolve.